Sayan Garg from Govind Forum, IIT Bombay Foundation UK. I am interviewing Mr. Dilip Chakraborty from Child CW.
Okay.
Child Education.
Okay. Start.
What's the name of the NGO?
Okay. Let me clear that myself Dilip Chakraborty, and I am working as a project officer at Center for Environment Education. This is a CEE called the Center for Environment Education. This organization basically are working on an environment education field, and it's a ministry's excellence organization and working since 1984. And this is our state office at Madhya Pradesh. From here we look after 50 districts at Madhya Pradesh. Now it is in 51 districts, and our head office is at Ahmedabad. From there we coordinate. We have all the state offices at every state, and total we have 8 regional offices and 40 offices across the country. And our objective is that we really develop environment education material for general public, schools, teachers, and organizing some training programs also there.
So basically, for government schools, the private ones, or all of them?
All of them. Our main target is that we focus those schools who are not regular part of this kind of activities. They don't have exposure. So we mainly work with the government, and we also think that not only government schools but also side by side with other public schools also, private schools also.
So what are your ideologies? Like, what are your aims, objectives of the organization?
As a organizational as well as our responsibilities as a part of our ministry's environment and forest, this organization is a part of resource agency. We are the resource agency. There is one major program of ministry that is called the National Green Code. And simply we call it an NGC. Yeah, it is like NCC, but its main focus is to impart environment education to the school students. So thus it called the National Green Code, to develop attitude towards the conserving nature, and to conduct different awareness outreach activities at the school levels. So this ministry's program is a nationwide program, and in every districts of the country they have 250 schools. So in Bhopal, or you can take any part of our districts, every district we have 250 schools, and every school have one teacher that is called a Club in charge teachers. So what we did, annually we conducted training programs for master trainers. We personally visit to the districts and training program for the 250 teachers. And this training contains is that how we have to interact with the students, how we have to conduct the awareness activities with the school children, and not only the awareness part, we also think that our ideology, or if you can take what we thought to be a part of awareness to action.
So recently, any past activities that you have been involved in?
One of our that program is going on, that NGC program here, and apart from this we also think that Paryavarn Mitra program. Mitra program. This is started in 2010, and it's also part of our ministry, as well as we have support from ArcelorMittal in this project as a financial aspect. So this Paryavarn Mitra program project is that, so we have to carry on some awareness activities as well as action oriented activities, and we focus on 5 themes. The 5 themes are as water conservation, energy conservation, solid waste management, biodiversity, and culture and heritage. On these 5 things, we develop material for the schools, or develop a poster on that. If you allow, then I can show you that poster also.
Okay,
Okay, I will.
let us put it. So now, may I know some of the future aspects? What are you think of? मतलब अभी आपका organization कितना कर रहे हैं? Future में आपने क्या plans बना रखे हैं? मतलब अभी आप awareness फैला रहे हैं?
हाँ, फ्यूचर में हम बच्चों के साथ में स्कूल्स में तो एक क्लब है हमारा, पर क्लब के साथ में हम कोशिश ये कर रहे हैं कि ये क्लब में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है, और हमारा फर्दर ये है कि ये स्कूल होल स्कूल अप्रोच हो, not only the focus to the some few students, 30 students or 40 students, but we think that this activity should be go on and be a part of a whole school approach. Every class, every student should be aware of these important aspects and issues, as well as involved in this awareness, as well as the action part.
And sir, how these objectives, how they can be implemented in our college? Any ideas you can provide us so that we can implement these activities in our college?
your group is we have an interaction for the last 2 years with your groups, and we time to time we have an interaction with your colleagues also. And whenever we have some outdoor activities, then we surely involve you. For example, last year the train biodiversity trains comes to Bhopal and Habibganj station. At that time we involve your colleagues, and they are very actively participating in that. And similarly, we have time to time we have some outreach activities. So in that we can take up some of your students with us, like a wildlife week or an animal welfare awareness program. Like this, whole year there the programs are going on, like awareness or event based. In your school, college also we can have some action projects like some development of vermicompost pits or green manuring, or we can take up some solid waste management programs, or say no to polythene bags. This kind of program we can take up with your college students. And as an individual level energy conservation, that every student should take place, that we should switch off lights when it is not needed, or water conservation we can display. And with our organization we can organize 1 or 2 programs at your college also. So
So
this way,
like NDT, it has
Yeah.
Mask for Sport campaign. Okay, many people are aware of it. So we can think of something like Mask for Environment.
yeah.
We have grades for each of the subjects in the curriculum. We can also have something like Mask for Environment. People who are working for environment, spreading awareness. So we can have Mask for them also.
Yeah.
Okay, we can introduce that thing into the curriculum so that it could be beneficial for the nature as well. Nature also, and also we are in a way spreading awareness. So any ideas can be implemented?
We can maybe develop some sort of questionnaire or some 10 points that. So these are the 10 points, and everyone in his lifestyle. How is he implement? We start from himself also, or herself as an individual level. So we can develop some checklist point. So these are the points you have to follow this in your daily lifestyle. So this way we can think
Implement
of.
that.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
Yeah. Thanks for joining.